We're now on part 4 of the ride. We've come over that disused railway line, which was all in shade, so I decided to chop that bit off, and we're now in sunshine. We're heading down the road with the disused railway line over on the right hand side, and Morecambe Bay. In the distance you can see Arnside Knot, which we have seen in previous rides from the other direction. And we're heading into Arnside, and at the moment you can see the sun is slanting across from the left, and to judge by the shadows you'll be able to see my shadow shortly over on the right hand side, and this is going to cause an awful lot of problems, we shall see, as we turn off to the left underneath the railway bridge just ahead. This is Arnside, and the railway line is the one that runs from all the way from Lancashire over towards Barrenfurness, across the River Kent, Morecambe Bay, and we're going to go off to the left here onto the railway and left, and we head straight into that sunshine, and it is diabolical. And you'll see, at points I simply cannot see where I'm going. I've had to shield even I've got a peak on my helmet, and it did very little good at all. And you can see it starting to flash on the windscreen here. Now you can actually see on this a little bit better than I could, but there are points where it was blinding, and I certainly won't be doing this again. I'm slowing right down because of that low sun. So this is going to be a little bit shorter, but I'll edit the rest of the ride after this, and any highlights. That was a bit tricky too, that little chicane there. Well, very necessary, but the sunlight was so bright there, it was upon me before I realised it was there. So you can see now how that sun is pouring on that left hand side right into my eyes. So we've got about another minute and a half of this, and then we'll stop, and I'll edit the next part of the ride out and try and get some decent bit of filming. I suppose we used to call it footage, didn't we? But you can't really call it footage now because we're all into meters and what you can't call it meterage. It doesn't sound right at all, does it? Perhaps we'll stick with footage. Over the railway line again. This is just a crossing. The sun is over one side then the other, and you can see how dark it is once you're just trying to see into that dark, but you can't see the road at all. Bumpy bits. And a few bends. That windscreen is mucky. Right, and I think we'll leave you now. So I'll see you a bit later on, all being well. Thank you.